Hello beautiful people, it is your girl Albie here. Welcome back to my channel and thank you again for hanging out with me. If this is your first time here, I'm happy to have you and I hope you subscribe before leaving. Today we are going to be working in my office. There are a few stains in the carpet and then just the general dirt that accumulates in the carpet. While we do try to vacuum regularly, it's always a good idea to go in and really give the carpet a good deep cleaning, especially with a toddler running around. I'll be going in with my BISSELL ProHeat steam cleaner. To treat the carpet before doing anything with the steam cleaner, I'll be using the BISSELL Stain Pre-Treat. It's going to loosen up the stains and also lift up any odors. Like I said, juice, milk, coffee, like there have been quite a few spills, and even though we may spot clean them and vacuum, you really never know what's living under your carpet. While letting this set in, I'm going to go ahead and prep the steamer. I'll be using the BISSELL cleaning formula, and this is an 8-ounce bottle that actually came with the steamer, in addition to the Oxy Boost formula that I like to use to really help remove old setting stains. There are two push buttons, levers if you will, at the bottom that you control with your foot. One is to unlock the handle so you can move it back and forth, and the other one is to power the cleaner on and off. At the top of the handle there is a lever that you push. Once you push that, it releases the soap formula. So you release the formula as you push forward, and then while you're pulling back, that's when it's sort of basically like cleaning and heating and like really working its magic. And I kind of just go back and forth doing this quite a few times over in the same area, straight lines, diagonal lines, whatevs. And then once I kind of do that first rounds of cleaning, the water essentially leaves the main hub and goes into like an outside hub, like so like there's an inner bag and then it goes into like the surrounding container, and that's where you'll see like how dirty your carpet was or not. And you empty that out, you refill it with clean water, and you do that a few times until the water is basically just clear in the outer container. So for the office, I did this about 2 times. I guess it wasn't as dirty as I thought. Now with the carpet ready and dry, because I didn't oversaturate it with soap or water, it dried much quicker. As opposed to if it was maybe a larger area or dirtier. So it was time for me to bring in the new rug. So if you saw my bedroom refresh, you saw that I had put down a new rug from Overstock. I actually got both rugs at the same time, just the office wasn't ready for its rug. So that rug's just been living in the hallway. So now I'm finally gonna bring it into the office and put it down and just kind of see how it vibes. So a bit of an update, which will be a whole other video. After I actually finished down putting this rug, turns out I actually got a larger size than what I thought I was getting. And my husband actually preferred the new office rug in the living room and the living room rug for the office, which worked out great in terms of the sizes as well as the look. So even though I just did all of this, we ended up switching out the rugs. So that will be a whole other video in itself. But I really wanted to show you guys again how I use my BISSELL ProHeat cleaner to deep clean and steam the carpet once every 3 to 6 months. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for hanging out with me. Again, if you are new, I hope you subscribe before leaving. And if you enjoyed what you saw today, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!